Banana pudding recipe. Banana pudding so good you'll slap your spatula. And maybe call me about a better kitchen too. Let's talk banana pudding. Not that weird box thing someone brought to the 4th of July potluck, but the real deal. Layered, creamy, Southern style, spoon-licking banana pudding that tastes like Grandma and the Food Network had a love child. Whether you're showing off for Sunday dinner or just trying to use up those bananas before they go full leopard print, this recipe is here to save the day and maybe your reputation. Bonus, it's the kind of dessert that deserves a kitchen worthy of applause. So if your countertops are peeling and your oven door squeaks louder than your knees, well, you know who to call. Let's get to the good stuff. Margaret's banana pudding that'll rock your flip-flops. What you'll need: 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 cups cold water, 1 3.4 ounce package of instant vanilla pudding mix, 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 box of Nilla Wafers, or the off-brand, no judgment, I've been there, 4 to 5 ripe bananas, the more spots the better. Optional, crushed cookies on top for flair, or a mint leaf if you're feeling extra. How to make this magic happen? Whisk it, baby. In a large bowl, combine sweetened condensed milk and water. Whisk it like you're trying to impress someone. Then add the pudding mix and whisk again until smooth. Chill for 5 minutes until it thickens up. Whip it good. In a separate bowl, beat the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. You'll know you've nailed it when it looks like the inside of a cloud. Fold like a pro. Gently fold the whipped cream into the pudding mixture until it's smoother than your favorite Berry White track. Layer like a realtor stacks offers. Grab a 9x13 dish or something equally as deep. Start with a layer of Nilla Wafers, then banana slices, then pudding. Repeat until you're out of ingredients or patience. End with pudding on top. Chill and serve. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can resist. Top with crushed cookies or whipped cream before serving if you're feeling fancy. And Margaret's pro tips. Use ripe bananas. We're talking brown spots, not green. Save the greenies for smoothies. Want it prettier? Serve in a trifle dish and pretend you're on the Great American Bake Off. Gluten-free twist? Swap the wafers for gluten-free cookies. The pudding still slaps. Now, is your kitchen ready for banana pudding glory? Let's be honest. If you're making this banana pudding and balancing your mixing bowl on top of a wobbly stove or fighting for fridge space with your leftovers, it might be time to upgrade that kitchen. I can help you find the perfect home with a dreamy kitchen where your banana pudding can live its best life. Find your dream kitchen and home here at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. Tour gorgeous kitchens and homes on my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Questions? Cravings? Kitchen envy? Call or text me 321-480-7662. Because honestly, banana pudding this good deserves granite countertops, a double oven, and a breakfast nook with sunlight streaming in. Let's make it happen. Margaret Klein signing off. Don't forget to subscribe for more home hints and recipes. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.